Hello YouTube and welcome to the fourth video in the Learning Python series. Today in this video we're going to be talking about user input. So what is user input? User input is a way for your program to gather input or data from your user or the person using your program. We do this in Python like this. So let's create a variable and let's set it to input, parentheses, and then what is your name? Then we're going to print hello plus variable. So let's run this code. It says, what is your name? Brian. Hello, Brian. So what did we do? So we created a variable called variable. We used input and then parentheses, and then we typed in what is your name. So what this is doing is input is a function in Python, and it's telling Python that you are trying to get user input here. So when you type in input, Python knows whatever you put inside these parentheses, it's going to print that out and then ask for your input. So whatever you put in here is what is going to be displayed here. So what is displayed here is what is your name, and we can see that it is here too. So we give information such as Brian. It says hello Brian. So what's happening here is we're taking the user input, which is stored in variable, and printing that out with hello. So again, how you gather user input in Python is you just type in input, you put two parentheses, quotation marks, and then what is your name. It's very simple, and it's very useful in Python. And again, hello Brian. Alright, that's all for this video. In the next video we're going to be doing a project. We're going to create a calculator and use user input and math. Thank you, and if you did enjoy the video, please subscribe and like and comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos.